It's Monday now, today. Hi, my name is Lasey and welcome to my new video. If you're new, hi, and if you're back, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to prepare for my exam season with you guys. So in this video, I'm going to study a lot. I'm going to show my routines before my exam begins and also others. So it's a vlog slash preparing for exam season. So I hope you enjoy. So today is Sunday and I'm going to start filming on Monday because it's the start of a new week and I want to start fresh. So yeah, see you on Monday! So guys, it's the next day, it's Monday now today and I'm on my way to my bus stop because I have to take the bus to go to school. So yeah, let's go to school and then I will see you there because I can't film any footage on school. So I'm going to film after school then. So you're going to see the process how I'm going to school, but not like I'm in school. So yeah. Hi guys, so I'm back from school. It's now around 4:30 p.m. and I'm walking home now. I will be back to you guys when I'm home because like there's so much noises around here and I don't know if you can hear me well, so I will see you guys at home, but because I will be studying. Hey guys, so I'm back home, so I will study now. And yeah, I just did my I don't know how to say it, but like it's some debate from Dutch lesson we have to do. So yeah, I'm preparing for that, but I'm also studying for my exams, but like that's a side quest because I have to do that. But now I'm going to do my real exam study plan, so let's go.
What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
I'm done with my first study session, yay! After showering, I'm going to start with my second study session. That's when I'm going to write a summary of this chapter about young people. So I will see you guys after showering. Hi guys, I'm back. I just showered and I changed in my PJs. Now I'm going to start with my part 2 section of my study session. Section 2 of my study session. So yeah, let's begin and enjoy. Hi guys, so I'm done with my second part of my second study session, and yes, I wrote my summary and this is how it looks. I think it's very pretty. I wrote every important things from the book that she told me, and I think I did a great job for my first chapter of this book, and yeah, I like it. And yeah, it's already in the evening, so I'm going to sleep now. So I will see you guys tomorrow for a new study session. Hey guys, so it's the next day. It's now Tuesday and I'm walking to school now. As you can see, my eye is a bit like red because I don't know what happened. Like last night I went to sleep and in the morning I woke up and I saw my eye in red, so I was like, what the fuck. But yeah, bear with me. It's a bit swollen, it's a bit thick, my eye, but it's okay. I can still see everything and all. I will see you guys after school. I'm done with school, so now we're going to the library to pick some books out because I really like reading, and then we're going home studying. So yeah, it's a bit of a little me stop, you know. As you can see, my eye is still swollen. I can't open my eyes very wide open, but I'm not okay. It's not healthy to be like this, but like it's life, I guess, with flies around. I don't know. I'm done with my study session, and now I'm going to sleep. So guys, I see you tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, it's the next morning. It's now Wednesday today, and it's raining. It's the first day that it's raining since June and May. So actually I'm very happy that it's raining, but also not, because I really don't like rain. But yeah, it's okay. One time rain, it's alright, I think, I guess. I'm now heading to school, so yeah. See you after school then. Bye guys. So guys, a recent update, I studied, but like I skipped a day because it was a rest day, so I gotta skip this because I was very tired. I didn't want to study. It was very late also, so that's the reason why I don't study for that day yesterday. But today I'm going to study a little bit, but not much because it's the weekend, and then weekend I'm going to study also, but like also not too much, so you know. And also other information, I recently updated my phone to iOS 18. Let me explain, you guys. When the update came out, I was like, no way I'm going to do an iOS 18 update, because like everyone has like iOS 17, and then I saw the new update iOS 18 for my iPhone, and everyone said like, Oh my god, that update is so no good. I really don't like it. So I said to myself, no way I'm going to download that app, no, that update, because like that's so bad. I also saw like videos of like the preview and everything, and it was still no good. I didn't like the style and all, but at the end of everything, I still did it. I still did update, and now I have like the iOS 18 updates, and actually, if I'm being honest, I'm very happy with it. I didn't know why I didn't upgrade it earlier, but like I was thinking, and thinking was too long, because like I don't know when the update came out. I think like January or something. I think that time the update came out, but I didn't update it for like 5-6 months, so that's a very long time ago. But yeah, I decided to update it, and now I'm very happy, so oh, you reached the end of this video. It's already the end. Oh my days, that's very fast of my guys. So yeah, you reached the end of this video, even though I filmed this a few weeks ago, but like okay, it's alright. But you reached the end of this video, so that's alright. If you reach this part of this video, comment down below exams. If you want to see more of my cute chaotic life, please like and subscribe and follow my socials below. And remember, you're always cute in your own way. Bye!